welcome to the Mix of Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia, she came out and she wanted to have a talk with Miss D. She's saying that, basically, this is about Sophie. She saw something on social media that was circulating about Sophie and, saying that Miss D, would have said that Sophie would have maybe want to do something to her. So she's basically saying, Sophie would incur a fly Sophie, even though Sophie was in Lorraine's camp, but she said that Lorraine, Sophie, I'm sorry, wouldn't have hurt a fly. And so she's saying that, Miss D doesn't really need any bodyguard or anything, but what she needs is to, maybe look around. The people that are in her own camp would have been the one who would have, done anything to her, but people on the outside, basically wouldn't have done anything to her. So, guys, go ahead and go catch the video and hear what Marcia has to say. Hear her logics about, the situation with Misty and Misty and Sophie and see what she has to say about this. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day. And I wish you joy and love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies and subscribers that are out there today, have yourselves a beautiful day and keep on smiling. Shine your light so bright that other people would want to emulate you. Have a wonderful day.
That them never used to have, and me going to I after watching some of Sophie video from England, and I'm not taking up for Sophie, but me have to spit some justice. Mr. Wallico's statement I go on with Dana and Sophia from England. Sophia from England is a character. Sophia from England is a established woman in her own rights. She have her good up children them like everybody else. She was married before. She have her house. Me see her with all one expensive fridge in her house where cost over 3,000 US dollar when me not see Dana have. Missy Sophie have her, Sophie is a hairdresser. Sophie go to school. Sophie have a lot of experience where Dana don't have. And then I'm come out here for address you in a good way. And also to split justice. And this is not about getting rating or calling a name or because guess what? Just as how your name call, my name call. A matter of fact, my name call even more than yours. Because when you look at social media, your name only call with us. Like Sophie them, Lorraine them, and other people to keep you relevant. The plank of them with the on your side, they are not even highlighting you in a good way because the only time them highlight you, come over here, come listen to me, Dana. The only time them highlight you is when we spoke about you. You are not even getting promoted by the people who claim that they like you because they're not coming on their page every day. Listen to me in a very intellectual way before you start cussing me now. Because I don't come out here for disrespect her, but me put her in her place. Good and proper. Right? So the bloggers them that has been highlighting you on a daily basis, they're highlighting you through the people who have seen something in you where you're in a right. So obviously the people that is highlighting you and cussing people who talk about you, it's like them not giving you no justice. Actually, they are putting you down. Because them come out only to highlight the bad things what people say about you. So obviously, they are using you. Hold on, let me shut that vehicle. Me shut that. That truck can't make too much noise. Obviously, listen to me carefully. They are only highlighting you one in about 90% on YouTube and social media. What people have to say about you. So when you're looking at your brain, and you and I used to be good acquaintances, and you and I talk a lot, you understand? And you in a sense know, you and I spoke about it for a few years, that these bloggers don't care nothing about you. The one them, you know that, because me and you discussed that. I said, Marcia, they don't care nothing about you. So you know that right there. So these people are just looking money. First of all, I don't understand, is it, when you wasn't big as all you weren't calling people narcissistic or narcissist, because you can't spell it. When people are promoting you, you wasn't calling them mad and deranged. Me hear you mention and say Sophie would have hurt you. Sophie not hurt a fly. Sophie is a woman who is just out there like everybody else, bringing joy and happiness in Facebook, being a blogger, or whatever it is. Nobody not hurt you. If nobody not hurt you in about 4 or 5 years, somebody can hurt you now, then when you have, make somebody going to hurt you. The only people is going to hurt you is the people who is surrounding you. Your own people in your camp. He said it's only your best friend knows your secret. We don't know your secret, so if you don't know your secret, and other people we are talking about you on social media don't know your secret. Bob Marley's song is a legend. Bob Marley is a legend, and Bob Marley is a prophet. Only your best friend. When I was in my little situations over Woodland Village, and I told a friend that I thought was a friend, and she and I are cool. We already spoke to each other and we are cool. You understand? Only she alone come out and tell the people, and come tell Jennifer, say me was in a courthouse. Nobody never knows say me was in courthouse with whatever it is. And she alone me did tell and to other people. And she came out and told Jennifer, and Jennifer come put it on social media. So it's only your best friend know your secret, and that's not a secret because everybody go to a courthouse in certain things. I am saying to you, Donna, you can't call people crazy, you can't call people mad, you can't call people this and that, because if people stop talking about you, you're not going to be relevant. And it's talking allow you negative and positive talking. Because I, Marcia Campbell, as myself, I have allowed many of the bloggers them on social media, the boy in the car, latest, Chin, the whole of them over YouTube, we have big followers now. If people, me wouldn't know about them if people never come in on my WhatsApp and say, Marcia, so and so I talk about you. As soon as I come on my Facebook page and me answer them and start cuss them, the people them run go over there go follow them. Because the haters them when they like me, where I follow back at the woman a yard or anybody else, them go join them because them a cuss me because people. So if I never highlight them, they wouldn't reach where them reach on social media. If they never, when you look on their page, appear Marcia, Tina, Chin, Laurie, and this and that them spoke about. 3 major persons them talk about in R4. Me, Dwayne, Laurie, Tina, and certain things. We bring them where they are today, their status. And up until today, if them call your name, them not reach nowhere. Because you never answer them. You never answer them and go acknowledge them. And we are the haters them, according to their league or whatever. We call their name so people can know who they are. So them to kiss our black ass for us to allow them to reach where they are and getting some money in their bank account a month time to feed them little hungry belly picnic and them little black ass self. You understand? To pay the little bills. You of all persons, you should be more humble. The other day them claim so you get doctorate acknowledgement. Then I saw doctorate acknowledgement go on. Me don't know. I mean it's ridiculous anyway. I mean it's ridiculous because anybody can get a little doctorate something. I mean it's foolish. I don't like say I get it from my established place. Cause you never get it from no college or no university or whatever to make it more official. You know what I'm saying? But nevertheless, me see you come out here and call yourself doctor whatever. Doctor what? Doctor what? I mean I'm just saying. So I am saying to you, how comes all of a sudden now? How comes all of a sudden you are calling people crazy and people are a threat to you? People are a threat to you and you living in the ghetto where gunshot and fire over your head all the time? What kind of threat? Then what kind of threat to you and me see you downtown? I walk up and down. Now last year me see you downtown a push cat. You depend cat a push and I walk up and down and I catch people off a road. So you are calling people all kind of name. So what happened to those poor people that you pick up? What about those poor people that you help who have mental issues? The blind. The phone is overeating. So me not understand. You need to cut out the foolishness. You love the attention. If the phone overeat, me have to turn on the AC. So it go on overeating a while ago. Because my truck is hot. Me have to turn on the AC. You need to stop it. Lord, and I come in front of me like that. Look, the man just come cut in front of me like that. Yes, so I am saying you need to stop it. Nobody not traffic KLL you. You know me here you talk about you need bodyguard. What kind of bodyguard you need? The only bodyguard you need is Jesus. You need to take up your raw self and go back to church instead of come on social media and downgrading people. Because social God give it to you, he will take it away. Stop coming on social media. You need bodyguard. What kind of bodyguard you need? You a celebrity? What kind of race bodyguard you need? Are you that foreign? And people that are England, America. What kind of bodyguard you need? What the only bodyguard you need is Jesus. And the only bodyguard you need is to find yourself into a race gym and go get some and get a health a trainer to train you and lose some of that weight because before you get race diabetes. And that you fi do. And I tell you all the time, I mean I take it back. I working on myself. Yes. You understand? The only bodyguard you need is Jesus. And stop the foolishness. And you waste the money. Because me here even say you know cook no more. So them you know cook no more. Me here no one video say you know cook no more. So when me know, how for your people them come across me when me not cook. And me a single woman. And you are picking in a house and all picking and me a single woman. I live by myself. And the other not talk to you when you say you not cook no more. That's you getting so big. Go the time the body not hurt you, the body not want hurt you. Me not, and the like say me say bush throughout them family that Jamaica, other family. Artists are go all over the place by themselves. You know how many people would want a little highlight? Look how much artists there in Jamaica. And look how much people, all the Prime Minister of Jamaica. When we could not talk about the Prime Minister of Jamaica, nobody not really talk about the Prime Minister of Jamaica. I talk about nothing. The Prime Minister would love a little highlight in a certain situation. But no, you have to come now and act like what kind of bodyguard? What kind, me not see artists them a go dance hall, a go party. And the artists them no need them, although they have a little brethren on the little side. So what you need bodyguard for? What you need bodyguard for? I guess Cora him talk, because you hear Cora there, they say Cora need bodyguard. Cora no need no damn bodyguard because of fake Cora bit. Nobody no know Cora. Nobody no rotted know Cora. Cora are known by the people in Africa. In Africa, Cora live in the USA and nobody never do her nothing. Me see Cora big California, a dance. She go Atlanta and a dance and nobody no look on Cora. What make sure figure England? Go say she get attacked all the way. Una fi stop it. Una must stop it. You want the highlight. Without the highlight, you can't be relevant. Go to a church. You come on social media. When last Sunday you go to church? When was the last Sunday you go to church? You come on social media looking so pull up and mash up. Look at that. As much as me poor, yeah. Me make sure some me come on social media and I'm look at cheap with them. I make sure some me put on my little lipstick. Me clean up myself and me smell sweet. Me no go to road no time looking anyhow. And you have you have more followers than me. Although the same people will know you know me. You understand? You're not even fix up yourself in a right way. So I look on Sophie. Sophie is a big woman. Sophie ever look nice. Then you call people mad. You call people whatever. That's not right. That is not right, Donna. Nobody, Sophie not hurt you. Nobody not hurt you. Anybody that want hurt you, them hurt you already. Everybody wake up. That's why me not pay 300 no mine. Me not pay Stacy them no mind. Me not pay the whole of them no mind no more. Because it don't make no sense. You can't if you know, you have to go hire a private lawyer. You go to them right now, them have to do you something physically, and you have to have significant evidence in order for police to reprimand them. So even if you go to the police station and say, listen to me, I am on Facebook, me area talk, so you need, them people are encouraged to file for harassment and this and that. Do you know the amount of sitting where them tell about me? You of all person, sit your ass self on your page and hear the amount of lie that these people tell on me how me wicked and me a obey you and me a do all kind of something. For somebody who somebody a obey, you surely a strive. And me look like somebody we a obey. You understand? And then obey can't catch me. And you even come out, come call me wicked. You even come out, and you know say that person is a person like that. We always come out, come get trouble. We always talk. And when the person say me ain't talk no more, the person get up and dance and clap him on. How do you know that? Even the mere fact how you is, and you have vinegar about me. Anybody will have any hatred for me is you. Because me see you come on social media and 300 this yoke. Bad, and class you down to underneath you. Down to your mama. And me see you go to Canada go dance up with him. Even the mere fact you make a statement and say, if him never saw Marga, you would have dealt with him. Me not have no respect for you. I don't hate you, me not have no respect for you. And you come out and you go on and you go on and you go on and you know me. You know me because I inspire you. You take inspiration from me enough time. In your videos them, your house, everything that I've implemented, I even say you run with it, go take it first. You run with it, go take it first. Everything that I've said to you. And then you're such a liar. You talk about, watch people, you black people, you still watch me. You still watch me. You still watch me. You can't stop watching because I inspire. You want to see what me I do? You want to see how me elevate? You still watch everybody. It no matter how you black nobody. These people, you are a Facebook celebrity. Just like me. Me have to just come to the fact and say, listen to me. Make them talk what they want to talk about because guess what? At the end of the day, them now pay me bills. At the end of the days, them don't know when I have good days or when me have bad days. Because if me not come out on social media and tell us me have good days and good bad days. But you are so show off. You are so show off and the like say you is a millionaire. I mean Jamaican money ain't shit. You understand? It can't, if you ever get sick now, me know you don't want to go public. If you ever get sick now, you know want to go public. If you have a terminal illness or strike you right now, you know go on public, no you know it's a show off, you want to go the best hospital. Check out Jamaica hospital bill. Check out the tests them that you're going to take. Check out all of them treatment there where you're going to get. You have to stop it. You is a celebrity. We, me and you is a celebrity fire. We are big deal, boy. Me and you and other people, we are big deal, boy. We name Africa. I have to come to reality. We should have thanked God in a way that we are highlighted. The only thing that we are highlighted in the wrong way. When we reach certain status on social media, we have to look into ourselves how far we have come from. And when we reach certain status, we have to start make a U-turn. And we have to say, what can we give? But you just sit down so. You're not even a God church no more. You wake up, you cuss people, so then wake up early in a last morning. I come on social media. And you do the same thing. You depend early too. You not even wash your damn face. Now fix up yourself. How you going to curse people? So when you come down and you would have been mad too. You don't even wash your face. You don't even fix up yourself. Then oh yeah, say people come on social media early in the morning. And you do the same thing. Then me not understand how Pat cuss kettle. How is Pat cussing kettle? You do it too. Remember the time when she come on social media, Jamaica time and England time is different. So when she come on